Hi everyone, today I'm here with the unboxing of a Hermès Women's Fall Winter 2024 long sleeve sweater. So here it is. This is the Effet Kaleidoscope sweater. And you can see the various chains, looks like, that go all the way around the shirt and the sleeves as well. If I turn it around, see the pattern continues all the way back. This shirt is very soft. It is 72% cotton, 28% silk. And they decided to get this a size up just to have a looser style and a looser fit. It is made in Italy, as you can see right here on the tag. So the cotton and, wool and silk blend is very soft, almost like the men's cashmere and silk blends that you often see on the ready to wear. For some reason, the women's doesn't include cashmere and silk, they do wool and silk. So the 72% wool, 28% cashmere blend is nice and soft against the skin. It's very lightweight, so it's warm without being too heavy. So in the US, as of fall 2024, the Effet Kaleidoscope sweater, retails for approximately $2,300. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.